it?
Owl.
It is the owl?
Yeah.
Come here, let's see what it is. This is the Paw Patrol Chase's off-road vehicle.
Oh, let me see on the back.
Okay.
Okay. Chase.
Let me see. I want to see.
I want to see too.
It's Chase to the rescue with winch tech action. Oh man.
Well, open that.
It's got a whole track. What's it come with? It comes with Hootie.
And
Little baby Hootie. And Chase with his winch.
it works.
It might work. How do you know? You haven't played with it yet. It's still in the box.
Open it and see inside.
Alright, let's open it up and see inside.
Get a scissors.
Let me get the scissors.
You gotta be real careful.
Okay, I'll be very careful. So you pull it out. Let me see. We pull it out here and then you press this button. Push it. Oh, this is gonna be so cool.
Okay.
Okay, so what, and who else do we have?
Hootie.
Hootie! We got baby Hootie. Hello, Hootie. All right, let's put it all together. So Chase has got to get up that mountain.
Okay.
What do? Press this button back there. There you go. Let him go. Oh, Chase! Whoa. All right, so now, the bridge. Let's hook his winch to the bridge. Pull it out of there.
Done.
All right, let's hook it to the bridge. Whoa. Chase. Uh-oh, Chase, look. Baby Hootie. He's gonna have to come off-road.
I want to reach.
Here, pull his winch out and hook it right here. That gives him traction. Oh, here he comes. Yay! You saved the day, Chase.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. You can come all the way around here. Up the mountain.
A bridge. A bridge.
Whoa.
Okay.
Uh-oh, Hootie's tree fell again.
Not really.
Great job pulling the winch out. Hook it into the tree. Awesome job. And put his wheels in the... There you go. Oh. Chase is on the case. Yay! So cute.
See you next time.
Thank you, Chase.
Chase on the case.
Chase is on the case.
A bridge is falling down.
Oh no.
He almost fell.
Oh no.
There he goes.
Make sure the thing's up so he doesn't fall. Oh, you're gonna hold him. That's even a smarter idea. Woo! Oh no, look at Hootie.
Uh-oh. I do my winch again.
This is the cutest little set. Oh, here he goes. Wow!
I'm good now.
He's working so hard.
Bridge.
Whoa, hi, Chase. What happened? Ah, Chase. He fell down the rocks. He fell down the mountain.
Hey, go here.
You gotta be careful, Chase. Yeah, sure, he can go there.
I'll keep away there.
You going underneath the mountain? He's hiding.
I'll go find it. I'm the thunder.
Sky, can you help find Chase? Where is he?
Got him.
Great job, Chase. I mean, Sky.
I flying.
Wow.
We're gonna see people. Uh-oh, a bridge falling down.
Oh no.
Michael, no! I need to get the truck and get it rocks. Uh-oh, a bridge. There. Hey, look at the now. It's not working. There we go. It's not working. I'm trying to chase.
Yeah, I think we need Chase's winch to help fix everything.
No, I want to put a wire in there. Don't worry, Pop. I'm in the wicked. Uh-oh, a bridge is falling down.
Oh no, who's gonna help save the day?
Chase.
Chase is on the
Get
case.
out of here, bitch.
Oh no, use your winch, Chase.
I cute. Trucker on the way. Perfect.
Do you like this new set?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your favorite part? Do you like the winch, the bridge, or the winch with the Hootie?
I want the putty.
With Hootie?